How to remove your hometown on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove your hometown on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then click on your profile here and click edit, and now just go down until you find more information, and here you will find hometown. Just click on it and delete it, delete everything, and then just click space. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.